So today I'm going to share the Pinterest strategy that I am taking this year that I started at the beginning of January that should take my blog from over 50,000 sessions to at least 100,000 sessions. I'm expecting to at least double it with this strategy. I actually made another video with my strategy that I was using to get me to 50,000 sessions that I just stopped doing at the end of December. It was obviously working out well for me. My traffic going to my website is 75% from Pinterest. But go check it out. It's weird. I was doing everything the wrong way. So essentially the strategy I'm using this year should at least double my traffic, especially if I got to where I was doing things the wrong way. So this year I'm starting by pinning 1 to 2 fresh pins every single day. And I don't know if you guys know what a fresh pin is yet or not, but those are just what Pinterest considers a new pin. So you could have 5 fresh pins for one blog post. It just has to be a different image for that blog post. So I am doing 1 to 2 brand new pins per day. And this is actually what Pinterest encourages. They encourage regular, consistent pinning of brand new, fresh images. So it's kind of funny because what I was doing before was completely opposite. I had one image, I repinned multiple times to multiple different boards. So in theory, I would imagine if now I'm doing things the right way, it's only going to bring that much more traffic. But stick around, I'm going to just be updating you guys throughout the year as I do this little experiment. Now, another tip for how I'm doing that, because that's a little bit hard. That's kind of why I wasn't doing it this way before. Making that many images for one post is kind of time consuming. Right now I have someone helping me specifically with this project. So she's helping me make my pins, but I know not everyone can go get someone to help them. So what she's using, what I learned, is Tailwind. So I had used it back in the past. Tailwind is a scheduler, so it will schedule your Pinterest pins for you. So she actually makes 4 to 5 images per blog post, and then she will use Tailwind to go schedule those out. So I can basically set up that pin to go pin for the next 2 months. It's a really awesome scheduler that I was not taking advantage of before. This is the first year that I'm using it. So again, I will let you guys know how it goes, but so far it is super, super convenient. And number 3 for my strategy this year is to pin to more of my own boards. So I am going to just utilize only my boards. If you look at the video, like I said, where I shared my old strategy, I was using group boards, but I'm going to try to do what Pinterest said and just really make sure that all my boards are optimized for the content that I share. So I do a lot of one-pot meals, healthy recipes, Mexican recipes. So I'm making sure I just have lots of different boards, very niched down for the recipes that I share. And I will be pinning my own, different fresh pins to multiple boards for the same blog post. So that just means I'm going to be more focused on my own boards and the SEO, making sure that they're, got the right keywords in the description, make sure that the titles are SEO friendly. And just regularly pinning fresh, brand new images every single day, multiple times a day, again, with the use of a scheduler called Tailwind. So this strategy is basically following all of the Pinterest rules. Again, it's basically doing everything the right way. So if I got to 50,000 sessions, basically doing things the wrong way, I should see a significant increase on my Pinterest account as well as my blog traffic doing it this way. And the end of January, we ended at 60,000 sessions, which was my newest high. I know it's a little bit early, 30 days in, to see really how well the strategy is working yet or not. But I will update you guys as we go. If you learned something or if you got this far, help me out with a like. If you guys have any questions related to Pinterest, I am more than happy to help. I have been a Pinterest user for at least 10 years. I've learned a lot. Like I said, I've tried lots of different things on there. So ask away. I am more than happy to help.